In this video, I will show you how to download virt-manager in Windows 11. If you want to download virt-manager without any error, watch this video till end. For downloading and installing, you have to open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Then search virt, V-I-R-T, virt-manager in search bar. Then press enter. When you search virt-manager in Google Chrome, here you'll find virtual machine manager. Click this link. When you click this link, you will reach this website. Remember, firstly you have to search virt-manager. I am I am showing you again. Then searching virt-manager, you will reach this page. Virtual machine manager. Click this link. After clicking this link, here you'll find virtual machine manager official website where we can download it. For downloading it, you have to click download. When you click download here, you have to scroll down. When you scroll down, here you'll find Windows X64 MSI. Click this option. When you click this option, you have to choose where you want to save this file. Here I am choosing download folder. After choosing download folder, you have to click save. You can see our file is downloading. Until we have to wait. Next, we will install it. We have just downloaded virt-manager. Now it's time to install it. For installing, go where file is present. Here I am going download folder. Here you can see file. For installing it, right click on it, then click open. After clicking open, you have to yes. After clicking yes, here our process has started for installation. And we have just downloaded virt-manager. When you search in search bar VIRT and manager, here you will not find any file because we had just downloaded and installed remote viewer. It means virt-manager viewer software give you remote viewer. Here you can see. I hope this video help you. If you have any query, ask in comment box.